What is recurrent neutral network? A recurrent neutral network is a type of artificial neural network which uses sequential data or time series data. These deep learning algorithms are commonly used for ordinary temporal problems such as language translation, natural language processing, speech recognition, and image capturing. They are incorporated into popular applications such as Siri, Invoice, Voice Search, and Google Translate. Like feed forward. The conditional networks, recurrent network utilize training data to learn. In, s- recurrent network Recurrent neural network is a type of artificial neural network designed to handle sequential data, unlike traditional feed-forward neural networks where information flows in only one direction from input to output. RNN have connection that loop back on the self, allowing them to maintain a memory of past inputs. Overall, RNN are powerful tools for processing sequential data, have application in a wide range of fields, including natural language processing, speech recognition, time series analysis, and more. How recurrent neural network works. RRN work for passing the sequential data that they receive to the hidden layers one step at a time. However, they also have a self-looping of recurrent work. The hidden layer can remember and use previous inputs for future prediction in a short-term memory of component. Recurrent, recurrent neural networks work by processing sequences of one element at a time, while maintaining an internal memory of past inputs. Here's a Here's some steps of how recurrent neural network or RRN works. First is simulation. At the start, an RRN initialized with parameters including weights and biases. 2. Input processing. Let's say we have a sequence of input data, like sentence of word. The, the RRN processes the sequence one element at a time, starting from the first element. Third step, time steps. At each time step t, the RRN takes in the input data for the time step. This input is multiplied by weights and added to the previous state, representing the networks of past inputs. Step 4. Memory update. Using a certain function, usually a nonlinear activation function like TANH or RELU, the RRN updates is the internal state based on the current input and the previous state. This updated state becomes the memory for the next time step. Step 5. Output generation. The RLN can produce an output at each time step. Based on the current state, this input could be used for various tasks depending on the application, such as predicting next word in a sentence. Feedback loop. Step 6. Reportedly, output. You can also loop back into network as input for the next time step, allowing the network to incorporate its own prediction into a future calculation. This loop is what gives RRN their current nature, allowing them to maintain memory over time. Step 7. Sequence compilation. The RRN repeats this process for each element in the input sequence, updating its internal state and producing outputs along the way. Step 8. Training. During training, the RN's parameter, weights, and biases are adjusted using optimization algorithms like gradient descent so that the predicted outputs match the desired outputs as closely as possible.
Recurrent neural network types. First, one-to-one. The simplest type of RNN is one-to-one, which allows a single input and a single output that fix input and output sizes and acts as a traditional neural network. Next is one-to-many. One-to-many is a type of RNN that gives multiple outputs when given a single input. It takes fixed input size and gives a sequence of data outputs. Its application can be found in music generation and image captioning. And next one is many-to-one. Many-to-one is used when a single output is required from multiple input units or sequence of them. It takes a sequence of inputs to display a fixed output. And the last one is many-to-many. Many-to-many is used to generate a sequence of output data from a sequence of input units.
Many-to-many subcategory. Number 1. Equal unit size. In this case, the number of both the input and output unit is the same. It's common application and found in entity recognition. In neural network architecture, where the configuration has an equal number of input and output units. Each input data point is matched with a corresponding output, an equal unit size. In this case, input and output have different numbers of units. Its application can be found in machine translations. In setup, where the neural network features an equal unit size, the number of inputs does not match the number of outputs. This is particularly common in the task where the output is dynamically generated based on the input content, but is not a direct one-to-one transformation from the input. What is a real-life example of RNN? Apple Series and Google Voice Search both use recurrent neural network or RNN, which are the state-of-the-art method for sequential data. It's the first algorithm with a internal memory that remember its input, making it perfect for problems involving sequential data in machine learning.
Information system. An information system, IS, is a coordinate system of hardware, software, infrastructure, data, and people designed to generate, store, process, retrieve, and distribute information within an organization or the external stakeholder. Information system. An integrated set of components for collecting, storing, and processing data, and for providing information, knowledge, and digital product. Business firms and other organizations rely on information system to carry out and manage their operation, interact within customer and supplier, and compete in the market. Information systems are used to run inter-organizational supply chain and electric market. Information system. It begins by identifying what an information system. Well-organized system composed of various components such as hardware, software, infrastructure, data, and people. These components are designed what is a specific function to create, store, process, retrieve, and distribute information. It emphasizes that the primary objective of an information system is to facilitate the management and flow of information within an organization. Furthermore, it also demonstrates that information system can also be shared with external partners in deciding the broader benefits of the system. How information system can benefit from NLP, CNN, and RNN. The first point, how natural language processing, NLP, assists information system in understanding and analyzing text from various sources such as email, social media, and document. It suggests that NLP enable IS to process unstructured text data, extracting meaningful knowledge and information. The second point emphasizes that NLP powers chatbot and virtual assistant in responding to questions or assisting in tasks. It means that NLP allows IS to process and respond to user queries or commands in natural language. The third point mention how NLP can automatically summarize large text, saving time for users. It indicates that NLP simplifies the extraction of variable information for large document or articles, allowing user to quickly understand the key point without having to read entire text. CNN. The first highlight how convolutional neural networks assist IS in understanding and analyzing image. This capability is highly beneficial for tasks such as identifying object or scene in image. It suggests that CNN enable IS to process visual data, extract features, and interpret the content contained in image. The second point mentioned that CNN can read, scan, document, or handwritten text. This capability aids IS tasks such as digitizing document, indicate that CNN simplifies the conversion of physical document into digital format by recognizing and interpreting text from scanned or handwritten source. RNN. The first point emphasizes the suitability of recurrent neural networks for tasks involving sequence. It mentions a specific application such as predicting futures values in time series data or understanding speech. It suggests that RNN excel is processing data that occurs in a sequential manner where the order of event or element is important. The second point clarifies how RNN can analyze user behavior over time to make personalized recommendation. It mentioned example like suggesting movies or product based on past interaction. It housed that RNN can capture temporal pattern in user behavior and use this information for provide personal recommendation.
In the first, natural language processing or NLP. NLP helps IS understand and analyze text from emails, social media, or documents. So, si NLP nakakatulong kay IS para makaintindi ng text from email, social media, or even sa documents. It powers chatbots and virtual assistant to answer questions or help with tasks. So, ito po yung nagbibigay ng command sa mga chatbot or sa mga virtual assistant upang sagutin yung mga tanong ng mga tao. Or sa madaling salita, ito yung nagbibigay ng kakayahan sa kanila upang magbigay ng impormasyon o serbisyo sa mga tao. Summarizing information. NLP can summarize large text automatically, saving time for user. So, nakatulong din sa NLP sa pag-summarize ng mga malalaking text or mga files or documents. Yan. Second, in the convolutional neural network or CNN. First, understanding images. CNN help information system understand and analyze image, useful for tasks like identifying object or scenes. So dito po, nakatulong CNN kay IS na makaintindi or ma-analyze yung mga image or mga picture ng isang object. Second, reading documents. They can read, scan documents or handwritten, helping with tasks like digitizing documents. So, ito naman po, nakatulong si CNN kay IS na makapag-read scan ng mga documents or handwritten para makatulong sa mga task tulad ng mga digitizing documents.
Recurrent neural network or RNN learning sequences RNN are great for tasks involving sequences like predicting futures value in the time series data or understanding speech. RNN is specifically designed to handle sequential data by maintaining a hidden state that capture information about past elements in the sequence. Making recommendations, they can analyze user behavior over time to make personalized recommendations, like suggesting movies or products. They understand the user preference, temporal dynamics, and contextual information. There is a system can deliver tailored suggestion, enhancing user satisfaction and engagement across various domains for movies, products, and music.